Hey guys, this is the unboxing tutorial for the ModelArt 4.5 channel infrared BubbleCopter. That's what they call it because the helicopter can literally blow off bubbles if you want it to. It comes in a nice, quite a nice packing. I personally prefer it. It's good, and let's take a walk through with the box. There's nothing here. It's 4.5 channel infrared. This is just the normal information printed here, and these are some of its salient features like frequency auto selection, infrared remote control, turbo acceleration, rechargeable LiPo battery, and LEDs. This is just and yeah, this is the way we can blow off bubbles. This got a, on the remote control, it's got a button. By pressing it, we can actually make the bubbles come out. Whoa, that is so. Let's go into opening it. Let's got a flap here. Oops. Ow, it makes some freaking noise. So, is there anything in? No, it's empty. Let's put it outside and put one to the bottom. Oh, it's nothing, but it's just a manual kind of thing. I'll read it afterwards. Okay, so we have the helicopter here, the bubble soap, a couple of extra baits, the remote controller, and backside we have the charger. Okay, so let's. So first we're gonna remove the helicopter out of the box. So let's see. I'll push it from here. Okay, it's stuck here. Okay, so here we are with the helicopter. It is having its canopy. It's just printed off with a sticker. And we have got a couple of LED lights on this side, a couple of this side, and one at the center. I hope you can see it. And it's 4 blades, it's rotor. Let's keep it aside and we'll review it again. Okay, so we have got the controller here. Flip around. I hope to push it out. Alright, so we have our controller out. Wow, it's quite a good. It's nice. Heavy, actually. Let's keep the box aside for a moment. Oh, I've got all bits here. Okay, so here it is. It's nice and quite good. 4.5 channel controller. And so this was the bubble option I was talking about. So it's A, B, C channel on and off. It's quite good. And this is the compartment. Oh, they have cell pre-installed. Good. I suppose they are AA sized. Let's lay it outside, and what we've got here. There are the couple of. These are just the blades and the charger. Okay. Let me just remove the charger. And that too. Okay, so here we are with the charger. It's just a static charger. I've never used it. I suppose this light will go on when I put it into charging. Where are the ports? I did not see. So on this heli, okay, so here's the on-off switch. This is a tiny switch. And with the here's the charging port. I hope you can see it. It's very small. And here's the place where we can load on soap solution for bubbles. Wow. So that's all. switch it. And we have also got this bubble solution, but I don't need to open this one right now because I have to pull this whole thing out. But I hope you know. So these are all the contents we get in this pack of helicopter. This is a nice. Now I'll really soon make a flight demo this video for this helicopter. This is 4.3 volt DC, 500 milliamps. Okay, so here we are with the helicopter and this remote controller. If you found it useful,